How to fix Discord not opening on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord not opening on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Discord and then click on it, and here we'll find this one, storage, and then just click clear cache. Click clear cache and go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, and then if that also doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to update your Discord. Just go to Play Store and type here Discord and then click update, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.